Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little cooking vlog. Yes, so today I'm going to be making banana pancakes with a super ripe banana. This is the best way that you can use this banana, is to make it into little pancakes, and it's a two-step process. So all you need are eggs and a banana. I actually got this recipe off of Pinterest, and it says to get 2 eggs. So I'm going to break the egg. 2 eggs. Fork. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off the tip with the fork here. Because usually it gets kind of like mushy and stuff. I'm just going to throw that in there. And this is so ripe. So meanwhile I do that, I already have a little pan or a little griddle, whatever you want to use, that you would use normally for pancakes. I'm just using like a flat thing that I'll show you right now. So I'm going to turn that on to like medium. And you're just going to want to cut this into chunks, and it's going to be really soft. So. And I'm going to mix it all up together. I've been gone for a while from YouTube. Just actually a really long while. Like, I can't remember the last time I uploaded, but it's because I've been so busy with school. This is my last semester in college, and it's crazy everything that's happened. I actually am not there at the moment, and I'm not going to be returning back to campus just because he basically got kicked out. So I'll make another video on that. But yeah, I have been gone from YouTube for a while, and I think it's also just been better just so I don't have so much. When you have so many things happening all at the same time, it gives you too much anxiety, and just it's not good for your health. And I highly recommend, if you feel like you have anxiety, just take it down a notch. Don't work as hard. It's hard whenever you're just so dedicated at something, but you need to also take care of your mental state and yourself first. Alright, so I'm gonna check the stove to see if it's warm now. So I'll show you guys. I also dyed my hair. Do you guys like it? I'm gonna wash my hands just because I was opening the eggs and all of that stuff. So. Is a little batch, just like you're making pancakes. This is the shape that you're kind of going for. Don't put too much or else it's gonna go spreading because it doesn't have flour to stay, very consistent. This is obviously not cooked all the way. You want it to be a little bit more brown. It's my little pancake. I'm gonna add some marshmallow. Taste test time. So that's it for the pancakes. Of course, you can always add any other toppings, coconut flakes, chocolate chips, blueberries, strawberries, whatever you want to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course, if you make it, let me know just so I can see what your creation looks like. Have a great day, guys.